My name is ZHONG. Today, I want to discuss a very important question. Is quality education possible with non-equality? This is a big question. It is not just about schools. It is about the future of our country. To answer this, I will use the knowledge I learned from week 1 to week 6 in our course. First, let me tell you my answer. My answer is no. You cannot have true equality with non-equality. They are like two sides of the same coin. In week 2, we learn about defining quality. We learn the quality is not just about getting A in exam. Quality means fitness for purpose. It also means value added. Think about this. If an education system is only good for rich people, but bad for poor people, is it fit for purpose? No, it is not. If only 10% of students get a good education and 90% left behind, that is not a quality system. That is just a system of privilege. So, in this video, I will explain why equality is necessary for quality. 2. First, let's look at the week 3. In week 3, we study total quality management, or TQM. TQM has a very famous rule. It is called zero defect. It also focuses on total involvement. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine a car factory. This factory makes 100 cars every day, but 15 cars are perfect and 15 cars are broken. Would you call this a high-quality factory? Of course no. You would say this factory has a big problem. It has a high defect rate. Now, look at schools. If we have quality, it is like the broken cars factory. Some schools great, like the perfect cars, but many rural schools have no teacher or no computer, like the broken car. If we accept equality, we are accepting a high defect rate in our country. According to TQM theory, you cannot say you have quality if the system is no system. TQM requires everyone to improve, not just the top 10% students. So, based on week 3, without equality, we cannot achieve total quality management. Next, I want to talk about the standards. This relates to what we learned in week 4 and week 5. In week 4, we study ISO 9001. In week 5, we look at school quality standards and explanatory reports. What is standards? A standard means consistency. It means things should be the same everywhere. For example, a McDonald's burger tastes the same in KL and the ZHUOTONG. That is standards. But in education, do we have consistencies? Often the answer is no. Which school have air conditioning and smart boards? Poor school might not even have enough chairs. If we say quality is possible without equality, we are lying to ourselves. Because we for teachers that their process must be fair. If the resources they input are not fair, the results, the output, cannot be fair. Also, think about the school inspectors from week 5. When inspectors go to a poor school, they might give in to low score. But is this fair? Maybe the headmaster is very good. Maybe the teacher was very hot. But they get a low score simply because they have no money. This is not measuring quality. This is measuring poverty. So, inequality makes us standard meaningless. To have a real quality standards, we first need a level playing field. 4. Some people might argue with me. They might say, we have some very good university. Isn't it enough? This brings me to week 6. In week 6, we discuss higher education and TVET, vocational education. A high-quality nation needs all kinds of talents. We need doctors, yes, but we also need technicians. We need engineers, and we need mechanics. If we have equality, usually only the rich student goes to university, and the poor student, they get nothing, or they go to low-quality training center. This is a waste of human capital. In week 6, we learn that modern quality means inclusivity. It means we must respect TVET as much as university. If we treat vocational students badly, or give them less money, that is inequality, and this inequality hurts the country's economy. A truly high-equality education system helps every student find their talent. It does not matter if they are rich or poor. It does not matter if they want to be a professor or a plumber. Both should have access to quality training. So, inequality limits our potential. It stops us from being a well-balanced nation. In conclusion, let me summarize my points. I have used the knowledge from our course to answer the question, is quality possible with non-equality? From week 2, quality is for everyone, not just a few. From week 3, TQM says we cannot assess defects or people left behind. From week 4 and 5, standards require consistencies, which need very resources. From week 6, we need inclusive education for all talents. So, my final answer is clear. No, quality education is not possible without equality. Inequality creates isolation of a student, but a sea of failure and future educational leaders. Our job is not just to manage school. Our job is to fight for equality. Because only when every child has a fair chance can we truly say we have quality education. Thank you for listening.